identify how the voltage is changing. You can see here. So this solar panel, one come here. So we are having an solar panel. With respect to ground surface, we will keep it as 0 degrees, and see your observations, we will keep it as 0 degrees, and next we will keep it as 15 degrees, and then 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 75. Okay, so slowly we will be varying like this. Okay, so first you will keep the solar panel with respect to 0, next 30, 45, now it will be maximum, and then 75, and then this will give the maximum. Slowly if you increase this, automatically you can see that how the voltage is varying. Okay, so we are just connecting only the voltage, and next experiment you will connect the ammeter in series connection. Okay, so this is called how the voltage is varying with respect to the angle of the solar panel. This is the second experiment. So in order to understand this tilt angle variation, we are performing this experiment in our curriculum. So first experiment we are going to have, we are connected to terminal, negative is connected to the negative terminal, and now what is the position of the MCB isolator? Off. Okay, and for protection we are connected the fuses, and from positive we are directly connected to the positive terminal of the voltmeter and negative terminal of the voltmeter. And this is which type of meter, AC or DC? Moving coil type, DC. Now I am going to turn on it. As soon as I turn on it, we are going to get 0 degrees. We are going to get, so you see here, as soon as you turn on it, the voltage is increasing from 0 to the maximum. Now what is the angle of the solar panel? 0 degrees. With 0 degrees, how much voltage you are getting? 20 volts. Write down. With 0 degrees, you are going to get a voltage of 20 volts. So what is the, as we had already written the specifications of the solar panel, what is the open circuit voltage? 22. But in 22 we are getting only 30. Now you see here 30 degrees, little bit you increase. So with respect to this surface, you are having how much degrees here? 30 degrees. Okay, so with 30 degrees inclination, the voltage value is going to increase. Okay, so how much it is increased now? 20.1 volt. Now let's try to go to the next angle. So increase it for 45 degrees. So now you see here the maximum solar radiation is falling on the solar panel, and what will increase now? Voltage level will increase. So this is which test? OC test or SC test? Open circuit, we are not connected any load. Okay, so you can see here the voltage is still little bit the same, 20.1 volt. Okay, little bit you increase. So slowly the increasing. So now we will come to 75 degrees. 75 degrees. Now you can see here maximum all the cells are perfectly utilized. I can say the fill factor is how much now? This is the total fill factor, completely it is utilized. Therefore I can say the fill factor is now unity. Maximum power we are extracting from the solar panel with maximum inclination we have to get. Now we have to get what is given in the open circuit. What is the value given in the open circuit of the panel? 22. We have to get approximate to 22. Now you see here how much voltage you are going to get here? Same, 21 volt. So approximately 1 volt drop in this DC cable. There 22 it is generating. You have an DC cabling. Let us take the drop is how much? 1 volt. 22 minus 1, 21 volt. We got how much voltage now? 21. So try to make it 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Okay, so with respect to the ground surface, what is the angle made here? 90 degrees. Now we are trying to check how the performance is changing. You can see here voltage is decreased. Voltage has to increase, no, with the angle increase. It's not happening like that. So perfectly with the change, you can see here maximum energy is not captured by the solar panel. That's why the voltage is decreased. Right down at 90 degrees, you are getting only 19.5 volts. Okay, next you directly come to the half 125. You see here we are coming beyond the angle. The solar is not incident, but still the voltage is there. You can see the voltage level has been decreased. Right down at 125 degrees. It is 17 volts. Let's try to come to the next angle. You make it 180 degrees. So completely it is enclosed and the solar ray is not incident, but you can see still voltage is there. What is the voltage you are getting? 12 volts, 12.5 volts. Okay, so this is how to understand how the with respect to the angle. Okay, now you can see that at which point you got the maximum. At 45 degrees you had got the maximum, which is nothing but 21 volts. Okay, that is what the purpose of this. So in this experiment, what is the result you had got? So with the variation of angle of the solar panel, the voltage is varying. This is how to understand with the variation of angle how we are going to get minimum voltage and maximum voltage. This is how to understand the tilt angle, the effect of tilt angle on the solar panel parameters. Okay, so now voltage is only vary if you connect an ammeter and a rheostat, automatic what will vary? Current also will vary. So this is how to understand the effect of tilt angle on the PV system. Okay.